Want to make your Canva designs stand out with eye-catching text? Text effects can help your titles, headlines, and graphics look more professional and attention-grabbing. The good news is that Canva includes built-in text effects that are easy to apply, even for beginners. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to add text effects in Canva in 2026. First, sign into Canva and open an existing design or create a new one. Then add a text box or select text that's already on your canvas. Click on the text you want to edit. Once selected, Canva will display additional text options at the top of the editor. Next, click the Effects button in the toolbar. This will open a panel containing several text effects that you can apply instantly. Choose an effect such as shadow, lift, hollow, splice, neon, or curve. Each effect creates a different visual style, so feel free to test a few options. Many effects allow you to adjust settings like color, intensity, direction, blur, or transparency. Experiment with these controls until the text looks exactly how you want. When you're happy with the result, save or download your design in your preferred format. Your text effects will remain part of the final design, and that's how to add text effects in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can turn ordinary text into something much more engaging and professional. So yeah, try different effects and find the style that works best for your project. Thanks for watching.